How to configure application control on the Fortigate in version 5.6 in a couple of very easy steps. When you go to System, Settings, scroll down to the very bottom, change the operational mode from proxy-based to flow-based mode, and in this case we're looking for policy-based inspection. Select that, hit Apply. Once you select the change, you will be logged out of the GUI and just need to re-authenticate into the system. If we go to IPv4 policies and we edit a policy, in this case I'm going to look at this policy number 8, and we can see that the application component has now been added to the policy. We want to look for Facebook, select Facebook, and make sure all of your other settings is as per your requirement and hit OK. I'm going to configure another policy, so I'm going to copy my sequence number 8 and just paste that below. I'm going to go back and edit sequence number 8 policy just to rename it for easier reference and hit OK. And my next policy, I can go and just name it App Control 2. Look at the application, and in this case we're looking for YouTube, and I want to deny this from an application perspective. Remove Facebook, action deny, and select OK. By default, when you do a copy and paste on a policy, it will be disabled, so just make sure that you enable the policy. Also important to know, when you look at application control, there's a new feature called Central NAT. You need to have this enabled for your application control to work as required. So in this case, trust to untrust, we can select the sources as all going to the internet just for the purpose of this test. So when we do our test, we can make sure that Facebook is permitted. And when we go to YouTube, from the application perspective, that should now be blocked. Also, if you go back to the firewall, you'll be able to see in the logs whether or not a specific application has been permitted or denied. So let's change the order, like what happens if you want to have a deny policy as the top policy. In this case, I'm going to permit YouTube and I'm going to deny Facebook. So let's make sure YouTube is working. And we want to go and deny Facebook. And I'm also going to create another policy just to permit all other applications to go through as a test. So in this case, I can just remove the application, so nothing is selected. By default, that will then permit all applications. And again, make sure that you enable that policy. So when we go and test that, we can see that Facebook is now been blocked. YouTube should now be permitted, and I will be able to browse the web such as websites such as Fortigate.com. For more information, just go to help@fortigate.com. Thanks for watching.